Hi everybody, this is Jenny from By Jenny Designs, and today I'm going to show you how to work up my Ice Fisherman's neck warmer. For this pattern, you're going to need Bernat Softy Chunky yarn, and you're only going to need about 100 yards. You're also going to need a 12mm crochet hook, a pair of scissors, and a large eye darning needle. Okay, to start this pattern, we need to work up a chain of 45. So make your slip knot and then go ahead and chain your 45. And 45, I'm just going to double check, make sure I have 45 here. Okay, 45. And we'll do a quick measurement here so you can see how long this should be about. So your chain should measure 20 inches. Now what we're going to do is join to the first chain with a slip stitch. And now you need to make sure that you're not really twisting your chain up as you do this. So find your first chain and then go ahead and join with a slip stitch. Then we're going to chain 1 and then half double crochet into each chain around. Go ahead and work your way around, and I will meet up with you at the end of the row. Okay, I'm just working my last half double crochet of this row. Go ahead and join with a slip stitch, and you should have 45 half double crochet. Do not count your chain 1 as a stitch. For row 2, we're going to chain 1, then we're going to be working a front post half double crochet here, and then a back post half double crochet, front post half double crochet. We're going to work this way all the way around. So that again is front post half double crochet here, and then work a back post half double crochet around the next stitch, and then a front post half double crochet. Continue to work your way around, and I will meet up with you at the end of the row. Okay, I've worked my way around here. I'm just working my last stitch. You should be ending this row with a front post half double crochet. After you've worked that, go ahead and join with a slip stitch. And then I'm just going to give you another quick measurement here. So this should be measuring about 8.5 inches. And you could easily make this larger or smaller by adding or subtracting to the beginning chain in multiples of 2. Okay, so now for rows 3 through 12, we're just going to be doing a repeat. We're going to chain 1, and then you're just going to front post half double crochet around your front post half double crochets, and back post half double crochet around your back post half double crochets. You're going to continue that for 12 rows total. Go ahead and work your way through your 12 rows, and then you can come back here when you're done. Okay, so I am just at the end of row 12 here. Working up my last stitch. And now we can fasten off. And the only thing left to do is going to be to sew in your ends. I will show you one here. Now when I sew in these, you want to make sure you keep the stretchiness of the fabric, so you don't want to sew them in going this way. You want to sew them in going this way. So just go, because I want to have these on the inside too. So I just run along in this direction. And then work your way back up. And then go down one more time here. And there you have it. So I'll sew this one in off camera, but I just wanted to give you a quick measurement here. So your finished scarf here should measure about 6 inches in height. I'll show you how much it can stretch here. We can stretch it out pretty far. Looks like about 11 inches there stretched out. Alright, so I'm just going to finish sewing in my ends and then mine will be all finished up. Thanks so much for watching and crocheting along with me, and I hope I'll see you again soon.